There's a type of man who never realizes he's the fool in the room. He walks through life making the same mistakes over and over, convinced he's right, while everyone else watches, shaking their heads. He's blind to his own stupidity. And the worst part? He doesn't even know it. If you're not careful, you might be that man. But today, we fix that. Because stupidity isn't just about having a low IQ. It's a way of thinking, a mindset, a disease of the mind that poisons decisions, ruins relationships, and turns a man into a walking joke. The question is, do you have the signs? Let's find out. The first sign of a stupid man is that he argues more than he listens. Have you ever met someone who just has to be right, no matter what? No matter how ridiculous he sounds, he'll argue for hours, twist words, throw tantrums, anything to avoid admitting he's wrong. He doesn't listen. He just waits for his turn to talk. And when someone smarter than him speaks, he gets defensive. Why? Because deep down, he knows he's outmatched. The Stoics had a word for this: arrogance. A wise man embraces the truth, even when it hurts his ego. A stupid man fights against it, digging his own grave with every word. So ask yourself, when was the last time you actually listened? The second sign is that he believes luck matters more than discipline. The stupid man loves to blame luck. He sees a successful man and thinks, must be nice, he got lucky. He sees a rich man and assumes he cheated. He sees a fit man and calls it good genetics. But ask him what he's doing to improve his own life. Nothing. The truth is, he's lazy. And instead of admitting that, he creates a fantasy where success is just a roll of the dice. That way, he never has to take responsibility. A real man knows that luck is just discipline over time. Show up, do the work, and watch how lucky you get. The third sign is that he wastes his time on meaningless battles. A stupid man fights battles that don't matter. He'll argue over politics with strangers online. He'll start fights over nonsense just to prove a point. He'll waste hours debating things that change nothing in his life. A smart man knows his energy is limited. He doesn't fight battles that don't lead to victory. He chooses his wars carefully. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You could be good today, but instead you choose tomorrow." Think about that. How much time have you wasted fighting over things that don't actually change your life? The fourth sign is that he thinks his feelings are more important than reality. A stupid man lets emotions run his life. If he feels angry, he reacts. If he feels sad, he gives up. If something hurts his ego, he lashes out. He thinks the world should adjust to his feelings. But the world doesn't care. A real man understands that feelings are just temporary waves. You don't fight them. You don't drown in them. You surf them. You acknowledge them. But you don't let them dictate your actions. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react that matters." The stupid man is a slave to his emotions. The wise man is their master. The fifth sign is that he never learns from his mistakes. You ever meet a guy who keeps making the same dumb mistake over and over? Maybe it's getting into toxic relationships. Maybe it's blowing his money on stupid things. Maybe it's trusting the wrong people. And every time, he says the same thing. "Man, I just have bad luck." No, you don't have bad luck. You have bad patterns. A stupid man repeats his failures because he never studies them. He never asks, "What did I do wrong?" He just jumps back into the same fire, expecting not to get burned this time. A wise man analyzes, adjusts, and doesn't repeat the same mistake twice. So, which one are you? The sixth sign is that he surrounds himself with other stupid people. Show me your friends, and I'll show you your future. A stupid man surrounds himself